Welcome to ArtCo Drone Solutions. Sumo. Yes, this thing has been out since 6 years ago, and it is a cool little gadget. I really like it. It took me a while to figure out how to use controllers, which you use your cell phone to drive this around. Now, the only major drawback is you're not able to save photos or video internally. You have to have a card adapter that will connect right up here. Otherwise, you have a dongle with an SD card in, and it looks kind of hokey. So I found a way around it. And what I did is I used Mobizen to record the video on the cell phone. So you're getting the actual feed from the cell phone. That's how I store the video, and I'm able to download it on my computer. So I will show you some video here shortly of me chasing around my sister's cat with this. The camera video quality is not too bad for a 720p camera. So I'm pretty happy with it. I'm still learning how to use it, but it's a cool little gadget. So enjoy the video. See you in a few.